Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. So I just had a quick, I guess, project share slash outgoing pen pal mail that I wanted to share with everyone because I liked the flip book that I made and I just wanted to keep record of it. But this is the cover, and I didn't have like many choices for colors of binder rings left, so it doesn't match, but it is what it is. And I added this little house on the front that I had die cut. I used a Recollections paper pad that I had in my stash. In here we have, I think, more stickers like this. They're kind of like in a blue theme, and they're flowers and I think fairies or something. So that's there. And let's see, let me zoom in a little bit here. Okay, hopefully that's better to see everything. Anyways, here I have a pocket, and I don't know if all of these are going to fit in here, but I had some cut-aparts that belong to this collection, so I just thought maybe she could find a way to use all of these, but I'm going to stick these in here. Let's see. Hopefully they will fit, and it doesn't just mess up the pocket, but I think they'll fit. There we go. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up. This is going all the way to Singapore, you guys. So, there's that. And then I cut out some other houses for her that she might be able to use in her Happy Mail or on some cards or something. Let's see. This one is more like her color scheme that she likes. She likes like soft colors and florals and things. But she also likes a nice gingham and yeah. Oh, come on. I'm trying to put them in at least far enough so that they don't get bent or crushed on the way, because otherwise, you know, they're no good for her. So okay, and then in here I put a pocket and the letter is in there. And then my hope is that she'll be able to use this maybe for like pictures or something if she wants to. And then anywhere that there's a tuck spot, I tried to add a little tag or something. These are out of it's like a book, and it has like different cutouts and papers and wrapping paper and postcards and stuff. But it went well, like, so this is not really like a home theme, but it kind of is, like at home or something like that. And then in here, what did I put it in here? I think I put die cuts in here. So let's see. Oh, I did put die cuts in here. They are some tea kettles. Let's see if I can get them all out. I figured at home theme, you know, like we both like coffee a lot and tea. So, I made all these die cuts for her here. I'm going to put this as a better background so you can see them, but it's a tea kettle and a teapot for each style. And I don't know, I think she could use them on a mail or something for one of her other pen pals, or like I said, a card or something. And these dies, they came from My Creative Time. So if you are interested and would like to have these, they are from there. And I'll just stick these in a little bit. Then there's another little tuck spot house here. And then this is also a little tuck spot. Like that, and it's a little bit dimensional. And then, oh, so then I attached these little ribbons, and I don't know if you can tell, but there's like embossing on here. Can you see it? I'm sorry, it's not focusing very well. I think the shininess of this is messing it up, but she can stick these in here. These are not attached. See? What I figured is she could probably put a photo in here. Like if it's a big enough photo, it could fit the corners in here and just stay there. You don't have to glue it down. And then in here, you can stick a... Here, I'm going to take one of these out so that I can show you. Okay, I can't get it out. I'm just going to have to take the whole thing out. But in here, she can slide a photo in here. And I didn't cover it or anything, but it goes all the way down to like here. So she could put a photo in there. And then this has a pocket, and there's more die cuts. Alright, so these are the die cuts that were in that pocket. There's hi, hey. Oh my gosh. Okay, the metallic is really messing up the focus on here. But okay, hi, hey, hello, hey, and then hey and hello. And these are all papers from the paper pad I used. So I think she will enjoy those. I hope she will enjoy those, I guess. And then I guess we'll set those in after I'm done too. And then this page, I added like a little acetate or whatever and just used a frame die that I have in my stash. And then layered this like postcard piece and some leaves in gold. I thought it looked cute. And then back here there's another hello and some of that ribbon. This ribbon is just mostly for decoration and like tying in all that gold. But this whole... Alright, sorry about that. So then this is a tuck spot. And so just put that in there so that she knows it's a tuck spot. And then I think there's only one more page. And this one, it doesn't really have any crazy features or anything. Maybe I'll put something so that she could like tuck something on here or whatever. But yeah, that's what I did. And I just hope she likes it. The back has like these words on it. Let love abide. This is what matters. Heart and home. Come as you are. Make yourself at home. Stay a while. I don't know. I like it. I think she will like it. At least I hope so. And then I made this envelope to send her some extra stickers. Alright, so then these are the stickers I'm sending to her. I just packed a bunch of different things that maybe she'll like. If she doesn't, then she can always pass them on to some of her other pen pals. I know she has several pen pals. I this point only have one pen pal, but I used to have quite a few. And so there's a bunch in here. And these are, I had gotten a large amount of stickers from my cousin. And these are some of the ones. I'm from Denver, so I just wanted to send that to her, like, for fun. And since it's fall, I think this is, like, so her style. So I was like, oh my god, she has to have this. And she loves bread theme. So that just seems like it's for her. And that. So yeah, I just wanted to share those with her because I know that they go with what she likes. And then some more stickers. And I just made another envelope. This one I kind of didn't make it long enough, but this was like a piece of a paper that I had left over. I didn't have a longer piece of paper that would go with the papers I used in her mail, but they're just random stickers. These are all from Sticky Club. If you guys have not heard of them, they have amazing stickers. And I actually had to end my subscription at the beginning of this year because I just had so many unused stickers because, like I was saying, that I had more pen pals before and now I only have one. And I'm just not using them as fast as I was getting them, so, you know, you don't have to have so many things. Like, I think we get wrapped up in like, oh my gosh, I have to have the new one, I have to have this, I have to have that, and we just don't. And then I'm sending her these ribbons. It's like, this one is like a paper ribbon, and then this has like a wire in it, even though it's very skinny. And then this one is like iridescent, and then this one has like flowers on it. I think she'll like this one the best with the flowers. It has like roses on it. I don't know if you can tell. See it? But yeah, I'm sending her those. I hope she likes my mail. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.